What's going on, YouTube? At the Enthusiast here. Today's video, we're getting some Velossa air rams with the lit kit put in today, so I'm excited about that. But before we head on over to my mechanic, we're gonna get a nice cold start for y'all. So check this out. Alright, we back at it again. First, we're getting the front bumper taken off. And once we get the front bumper taken off, we'll start with the install of these guys. Now, these are built to order, so it takes them like 2 weeks to make them. I went ahead and got this in black. You can get them in different colors, but I got black. And then this part, the front part, light up. I don't know if you can see the LEDs up in there. Go all the way around. But I'm about to get them installed after we take the bumper off. So now we're taking that shroud off, which is this big piece up top. We're taking that out. And after we take that off, we're gonna take these off on both sides. And after that, we can install the new ones. All right, man, we're getting close to being done. Got them boys installed. Now we gotta hook it up to the fuse box and get that power. We was going through the instructions right here, and we was trying to figure all this out over here, all the connections. We got that tie strap down and everything. So now we're gonna connect it to the fuse box, get everything right, and I'll see them bad boys start glowing up. And voila, we lit. Bad boys look nice. I can't change the colors right now because I'm using my phone to record, but I'll make another video of all the colors and everything, show y'all what everything it does. We're gonna get everything tidied up and put the bumper back on, and we're good to go. Alright guys, it's the finished product. That's what it looks like. I gotta set the red right now. It's lit.